All right, I wanted to share this with you real quick. I've got Perplexity's Comet Browser up here. As some of you may know, it's an agentic browser, which simply means it'll go out and do tasks for you. So if you like keeping track of your social media, analytics, metrics, KPIs, this is a good way to do it. So essentially what I do is I go into the Comet Browser, open up all of my social media tabs that I want to go through. In this case, it's going to be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Now you can go into the browser, use the microphone, and tell it to open your accounts. I can tell you 2 out of the 4 I did today. 2 of them opened right up to my page. 2 of them opened up, but I had to log in. So just a little quicker if you want to do that. So what I want to do here is just run down to you guys. I ask it to go back, give me 30 days of the analytics from each of those platforms. So here you can look at Facebook. It went in and did this itself. I told it what to do, and I walked away from this and just let Comet do it. It maybe took probably around 15 minutes to come up with this, so not bad at all. You're not the one hunting all this down. This is a great way to buy back your time. So as you can see here, Facebook, I had over the last 30 days, 36,000 views. Reach was 20,000. Content interactions, 517. Followers, that's what I currently have right now. Net follows was 6, so I gained 6 followers total. I lost 22, gained 28. Demographics, 61% men. Total watch time on Facebook for everything was 21 hours and 27 minutes. And so that kind of surprised me. It tells you what your top posts are. So my top posts were AI avatars and brand efficiency tips, Google hacks for saving time, and daily AI news breakdown. Profile engagement, 3-second views, 4,000, 1-minute views, 200, link clicks, 5. Then a note, integrating IG could reveal more audience insights. We get on LinkedIn, up on impressions, 94%. Members reached 195% up from the last 30 days. My top audience sector, real estate. So I overwhelmingly, the majority of my followers and people who follow me on LinkedIn as of right now are realtors. Top posts for LinkedIn were emotional intelligence for leadership, mastering AI prompting, AI as a mirror. Engagement, multiple posts featuring leadership, AI, and business tips with hundreds of impressions per post. TikTok, video views, 27,000, that's up 14%. Profile views, 163, that's up 42%. Likes, 548, up 58%. Comments, 14, that's up 367%. Wow. Shares, 108, that's up 23%. Then it gives you the traffic sources, your total followers. Kind of gives you a breakdown of what your account's all about, and mine is known for entrepreneurism, AI, and real estate content. Then we come down here and I ask it to combine all these analytics together into one to give me a total view. So it added everything up, and this is what it gave me. Total views across all of those channels, over 67,000. Content reach, over 21,000. Follower growth says strong on all platforms, steady on Facebook, sharp engagement, and reach on LinkedIn, rapid growth on TikTok. Engagement rate climbing significantly on TikTok and LinkedIn. Facebook engagement steady and consistent. I have really made a push, especially on LinkedIn, to put more content out. I've also been focusing probably more than usual on TikTok as well. Facebook has stayed about the same for me. I haven't changed a whole lot. I have been doing more reels on Facebook though. Audience demographics, heavily male. Real estate and entrepreneurship communities dominate LinkedIn and Facebook. TikTok audience highly engaged by short form AI and business content. So I think I really started hitting reels harder over this last 30 days, and I think that's helped me significantly. Key takeaways, most viral on TikTok, short, punchy AI entrepreneur videos are driving new followers and engagement. LinkedIn, thought leadership around AI entrepreneurship is accelerating. Reach and saves. Facebook, long-form video, educational AI, content, draw steady views. Growth areas, repurpose top-performing TikTok clips and Facebook, LinkedIn, and deepen engagement through prompts and leadership stories. Seeing a strong upward trajectory in impressions and engagement, especially on TikTok and LinkedIn. Audience responds best to clarity, real estate, AI tips, and practical hacks. Maintaining daily content and leveraging cross-platform repurposing will help consolidate and accelerate your growth. Then you'll see here at the bottom, I did ask if it could take all that, put it in a PDF for me. It would not do it. Chat also will not do that. So if you want to make this a PDF, you're going to have to copy and paste it into a Google Doc and save it as a PDF. So I think this is something that would be, number one, instead of going through all of your individual social media platforms, let the Comet browser, or if you have Atlas, which is OpenAI's agentic browser, and I have not tried it, you could also use that and see how it does. Walk away, let it gather all this stuff for you, and just go over it from the Comet browser. Then save it as a PDF. You can do this, every 30 days. You can do this every 7 days. But here's my thoughts on this. I think do this every 30 maybe. And then I'm thinking do a 3-month, a 6-month, a 9-month, and a 12-month. And then you have all these PDFs throughout the year. You can upload those definitely into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT go through all of those and give you your total metrics for the year. Maybe even create some graphs to see what months you're up, what months you're down in certain categories. I just see a lot of possibilities with this, and just painting maybe a clearer picture of your social media engagement.